Hello everyone, this is Meng Hann. Today video I will like to show you how to make money online for beginner, even you don't have a website, an email list or an audience. And especially this program is auto approval, so you don't need to have a website or a big YouTube channel. You can start right now today. Okay, let's start. What is affiliate program? Affiliate program allows you to promote a product or a service online that people can buy or can subscribe, and then you earn a commission. So it win-win, so you don't need to spend any money. I will show you how you can promote at the end. Okay, right now you can see I make some money right here last year, and this year not much. Okay, but it can make automatically and it's totally free. And okay, let's go to register first. Okay, so the service we going to promote today is premium CD key, and put link in the description. Okay, we got some product key like Windows, Microsoft Office, and game, also game, and very cheap price, and people tend to buy it, and you can test it and put my link, my description code. You can get an extra discount and totally legit. So click the affiliate program right here, or maybe some down here, but let's click right here first, and then here just apply. So before you apply, just know you get 7.5% of every sale. Okay, so and then you get a discount code. Your discount code will be get discount 7.5 when people order with your code. They get discount, so they are happy, and you get a commission too. Okay, you can share referral link, and we will send the money with PayPal. Okay, so just click apply and fill your first name, last name, email, and password to create account right here, and your discount code that you want to put it right here, and additional information, and just agree and then click submit. So auto approval, auto activate. So you get 30-day cookie when people click your link. 30, if they buy in 30 days, you get a commission also. Okay, let me show you in the dashboard here after you register. So here the dashboard will show you something like this: how many click and how many order and sale. And this the last one that I haven't withdrawn yet. So yeah, I got some money, and you got a code right here, discount code, so you can tell your audience. Okay, you can tell your audience, put this code and get extra discount 7.5%. so here the link right here, just copy it. Okay, just copy it, and I will show you how you can share it. And so you can click analytics right here. Last 30 days I got 7 order, this money, and you can check last 7 days, last 30 days, last month I got only 18 right now. Click, engage, people add to cart, and buy. And marketing result, here you can just share to Facebook. Okay, and the payment here right here, you will see last month I got 28, right, and this month. Okay, so here the balance, but ready to take out only 16. It's not much money, but it will make money for you every month. And how you can get the payment? So we go to setting, account, and then put your PayPal email address. So you will get it usually on 15 or 16 of the month. You will get the payment by PayPal, and they will send email to you too. So how you can promote? So how you can promote it? So simply copy the link right here, or you can use Bitly to sort it, and then tell people when you get the code, put the code right here, you get discount 50%. So you can send to Facebook group, Telegram group, completely legit, no problem, not spam, and your friend, your email list. And especially you can create a video about it and put in the description. You can get a month. You can get people to buy it too. So this is the free way that you can promote it. So especially Facebook group, Telegram group, that is very good. Or if you make a video, put in the link description and tell people click there to get the buy. Then you can make a commission, and every month it make commission for you. Okay, hope you learned something from this video. If you have any question, let me know in the comment. See you next time.